Hey friends, as you can see, we're working in our Google Sheets document again. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting to change your cells automatically when you input specific numbers so that things automatically show up the way you want to see them. Now, as you can see, this is obviously a really basic spreadsheet. We have a pretend team with maybe some sales for these each individual months. Now, as you can see, we also have some negative numbers in here. And so maybe at a quick glance, I want to see which of my team members is having a really bad month. Obviously, negative numbers are really bad, so we want to have those show up in red. Again, anytime it's a negative number. So let's go ahead and click on this group of cells. And again, I want to make sure anything that shows up in this specific range, and again, if I had more months, I could move this all the way over, maybe do all of these cells like this. But again, we'll focus just on this for now. So I'm going to select this range and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on Format. I'm going to come down here to Conditional Formatting. Now again, this is primarily to do with colors right now within Google Sheets. There's a lot of interesting conditional formatting rules that are available out there using formulas and other tricks and hacks that we'll show you in another video. This is going to be specifically for the easy things to find, which again are color schemes. So as you can see, it applies to all of this. That is the specific range, B2 to D5. And then we have format rules. Now check this out. There's a lot of different options that we can choose from down here. Now, what I want is I want the greater than, or in this case, I want the less than function. So I'm going to click this, and that means anytime whatever is in those cells that I've chosen up here, or an individual cell, you can also choose a single one if you like. I want to say that anytime this is less than 0, that the default color is going to automatically show up. Now, I'm going to have to change this because I want to see this in red. Let's choose something like this. And then as you can see, that automatically updates anything that's less than 0. So I know which of my team members at a really quick glance is having a really bad month. Let me go ahead and click Done. And then that basically will get locked in. You can click out of this. Now, to give another really quick example, maybe you want to see a team member who's having an outstanding month, so anything over like 1,000. So let's say in March, Bill actually did incredible and he had $1,000 worth of sales. So we'll go ahead and select all these. I'll come up to Format. I'll click Conditional Formatting. You can see our old rules right here. By the way, if you ever want to delete that, there's a little trash can. You can click on that. I'm going to click Add Another Rule. And then again, for that same selection. And what we're now going to do is I'm going to do greater than or equal to, and I'm going to put 1,000 in here. Then as you can see, things are automatically updated. Anytime somebody has $1,000 or more, it's automatically going to show up in green. And we can change that color. Maybe we want something a little more green. I'll do that one and click Done. Again, that is basically how you do it. Conditional formatting with colors allows you to look at a spreadsheet and be able to digest data really quickly. Really draws your attention to cells and formulas that are important. If that's helped, friends, hit that thumbs up button and then stay tuned, subscribe, because we make a ton of these little Google Sheets as well as other tech tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.